Yeah. Yeah. Wake up. Time. This is 50.com. Sleek headphones by 50. JAVON space HUNT on Facebook. Make me a friend if you got talent. I stay fly and these niggas wanna stay fly. Ain't like motherfucker, nigga, color checker, call me I say I motherfucker, what the spray, I say I down, motherfucker, get down, Motown. Motherfucker, nigga, calling me the trigger man, motherfucker, keep on figures than the bigger man. They don't really understand that I'm getting it on like motherfucking Louis Armstrong. I'm in the motherfucker. I got the crib, I got the rip, I got the slip, I got the trip up on these niggas, dip up on these niggas, bust they lip and hips up on these niggas, hip up on these niggas, break these niggas, skip up on the nigga, hip up on the nigga, pass the motherfucking time round, motherfucker, take my time up on the beat, these niggas sweet, but I am better than the rhyme, and I'ma beat up on this, and I got a knees up on this bed, and I got a teeth, and I got a feet, and I gotta keep up on this bitch. Ooh, I just wanna take you home, and in a minute I am about to rape you, then I shake you home, make you a motherfucking crown around the trigger, on down and a motherfucker take you to the bar, and you just go for a round, don't need a car. I switch them bars, then I go to bars, then I go to the cheek, and I go to split, and I go to kick it on this bitch. Hey. I'm the place right. Niggas gotta go to a straight fry. Straight fry, I don't know, niggas out of the town on it. I don't know, giving a fucking up out of the street, no wild on it. I hold my nose and then I close my fucking eyeballs. I crawl, motherfucker, nigga with the eyebrows. iPhone, I roam, I get there and I get home, and I don't give a fuck about what these niggas say if I am home. Oh man, yeah, I don't give a fuck, I got no deal about it, yeah. I got the fucking drums up in my system, about to shit some motherfucking kids, and that is about to go dumb in the bed. Killing all these niggas, whackers, niggas, trackers, niggas, fakers with the drakers, the motherfucking sackers, niggas, white castle nigga, white knight, asshole nigga, hassle nigga, trassle nigga, get up on the motherfucking baffle nigga. It's like a motherfucking raffle. I don't give a fuck about what you saying. I am straight the raffle, haffle, daffle, naffle, nappy, tappy, nappy rules, and I don't give a fuck about what you saying. Spraying in the booth, fuck the truth. I'm motherfucking lying all day in the booth, and I don't give a fuck. I got more to say when I'm lying, then I tell the truth, and I hit that bar, and I hit that bar, and I get that far, and I don't give a fuck about what these niggas saying about their old scars. Mama hit me, mama get me, mama lick me, got the tiki taka, Ricky rocker, motherfucker soccer, save me, Rocky 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't give a fuck about a rush, and I am rushing, and you know I got to keep it live. Motherfuckers, niggas looking at me wrong again, and I don't give a fuck. I'm singing along, and I'm singing my song again, and I don't give a fuck about no friends. I need some business partners. I don't give a fuck about the end. I need some business partners. And these niggas don't really understand, but I'ma keep on going, flowing with the once again. Hit one left hook, one left hook with a motherfucking rhinestone. This is Tyson with a motherfucker dying line long. I did not rape her, I did not take her. I had to take it. But she told me that I can't because she thought I was raking it up like a motherfucking club in a motherfucking cup. I put an E-pill in that bitch like what? This is 50.com. Sleek headphones by 50. JAVON space HUNT on Facebook. Make me a friend if you got talent.